Hey, what's up everybody? I am Jason and you watch my channel, Micro Investor. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to talk about PG&E stock. I made a video back on November 9th talking about PG&E. At that time, PG&E stock opened that day, I think around $47, but they closed at $39.92. And that was because there was a possibility that PG&E might have had something to do with the fires in Butte County, which wiped out pretty much the entire town of Paradise. Thousands of structures were destroyed in that fire. It's a very sad thing, and I actually knew people that had lost their houses in that fire. But since then, since that all happened, PG&E has now, as of yesterday, filed Chapter 11. And the stock is, under $7 a share now. So it has drastically dropped, even more so since that last video. And there's a lot of factors with that I actually do want to talk about right now. So for me, I do buy a lot of whole stocks. I don't own PG&E, but I do have PG&E through ETFs, and that's what I really want to get to, is the ETFs that are out there that people are investing into, because PG&E is a utility company, and a lot of people like ETFs that pay high dividends. They like ETFs for the utility companies too. There are always a big thing with utility stocks and people buying ETFs for like their retirement stuff, because for the most part, we usually know that utility stocks are safe stocks to buy, for the most part. Definitely not in this situation. But from looking into it, there are 141 ETFs that actually have PG&E in it. PG&E's ticker is PCG, by the way, if you're going to look it up. But yeah, I found that there's 141 ETFs that have that in there. So I actually found out that I do own an ETF that has a pretty good weighted amount of PG&E stock in it. That is the Fidelity Miscellaneous Utility Stock, or ETF. That actually had it in there. So I noticed that, and that makes me not want to actually buy that ETF at this moment until I know a little bit more about what's going on with the stock. Because when you think about it, if it is a high weighted stock in that ETF, we don't know what's going to happen if the entire value of that little portion, even if it's 1% of what's in that ETF, that whole amount can actually get wiped out. So you don't want to, like, when you're investing, you definitely don't want to be losing money in any way. So that's a risk that I'm not going to take, and that's something I wanted to address here. Is definitely check what if you have an ETF that has that in there. So where I found this information of the 141 ETFs that have it, I'm gonna actually just drop that link in the description so people can check that out. Figure that would help them out a bit. All right, so I just wanted to make this video and get it up there and let everybody know that they could possibly be buying PG&E through their ETFs. So anyways, if you're new here, I post videos all the time talking about the stock market and such. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And subscribing really does help my channel out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.